Namaskaram everyone. I'm Omkar Isha, head yoga teacher from Thane. So today I'm here to throw some light on the Jalaniti process which is hidden in the treasure box of Isha practices. So what is Jalaniti? Jalaniti is a process where you use the saline water solution to cleanse your nasal passages. So what happens is in your day-to-day lifestyle we come across a lot of pollutants, and because of which we face a lot of mucus and a lot of dirt which gets stuck in our nasal passages, so that your lungs can get a better quality of the air, so that you can breathe a better quality of the air. This process will help you in a huge way. So let's look at some benefits that we can derive from Jalaniti. So Jalaniti is fundamentally about cleansing the Ida and Pingala, which helps to open up the energy system so that you are ready for your sadhana. Also, the best part about this practice is you don't have to do this every day. As in, initially once you learn it, you have to do it only for first 21 days. It's hardly it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to do this practice, and then only once in a week you need to do it so that you can cleanse the whole system, not only your energy system but physically. It also helps you to cleanse your nasal passages so that you can breathe comfortably. One more thing, people who are jumpy and who are not settled, this process also helps them to calm down your nervous system. So as you know that once your nervous system are calm, once you are settled, you can do many things with yourself, you can explore out there. Also, like people who get angry very easily, this process can help you to calm down and get you the benefits, the same benefits that any meditative person can get just by doing this 3 to 4 minutes process. Also, particularly for people who have problems like asthma, sinusitis, or migraine, headaches, definitely, or any ENT related problem, you should definitely take up this practice, because we have many meditators that who have come out or walked out of their problems permanently. So I would recommend for them also, and for all the meditators as well, that you should definitely try this out and make this as a part of your everyday sadhana. I hope this helps you to understand what the Jalaniti process is. For now, namaskaram, and see you in the next video.